Welcome to Dialogue 29.
Jeanne, you deserve a compliment. That is very good. When I was at school we had lessons in pronunciation. We had to learn a poem and we had to say it in front of the class. English pronunciation is difficult even for the English. There are lots of sounds in English that do not exist in other languages. I had problems with the th sound. In fact, I had to go on Saturday mornings to have lessons. Sara has very good pronunciation. I bet you had no problems when you were young?
You're right, I had no difficulty. I had a very good upbringing. My elder sister had elocution lessons. She had the patience to teach me. I was lucky. So remember, Jean, English is not phonetic.
Excuse me, what is phonetic again? Can you explain me?
You mean, can I explain to you? You do not want me to explain what you do or why you do it. You want me to explain to you what is phonetics. Phonetics is when there is a direct correspondence between symbols, letters and sounds. In English, the same letters can have different sounds. For example, though, tough, through, thought. Their spelling is similar but they sound very different. English is not phonetic.